Hello friends, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Vivo Y21 Playstore not downloading applications or Playstore not working or not opening problem. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing Playstore not working or not opening problem in Vivo Y21, so to fix this problem, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first of all just go to settings application and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.